Module 2. Connecting and flashing the STWIN board. In this module, we will learn how to connect the STWIN kit components together. We will then update the firmware required for logging data from the onboard sensors. You should have two boards that were included with your kit. The main STWIN sensor board and the ST-Link V3 Mini. Connect the ribbon cable included with your kit to the ST-Link so that it is facing away from the board. Connect the other end to the STWIN, making sure the ribbon cable is facing away from the board. This connection will allow you to update and debug firmware as needed. Take one of the microUSB cables and connect it to the STWIN board. Then connect the other end to your PC. The USB cable provides power and a communication path between your PC and the STWIN board. The red LED should now illuminate and blink rapidly, indicating that the STWIN is properly powered. You may have a blinking LED on your board from previously installed firmware. It is okay to ignore. Take the second microUSB cable and connect it to the ST-Link board. Connect the USB cable to your PC to provide power for the ST-Link. Let's switch it over to our Windows PC. Open a File Explorer window. Navigate to C:/STWIN Workshop. Open the Data Log folder. Open Projects. Open the STWIN folder. Open Applications. Open HS Data Log. Open Binary. Drag and drop the HS Data Log binary file to the ST-Link mass storage device. ST-Link will now download and program the data log binary to the board. The download process should only take a few seconds, and once completed, the board will be updated with the new data log firmware. We will no longer be using the ST-Link module, so let's remove it. Disconnect the ST-Link USB cable from your PC. And then disconnect the ribbon cable from the STWIN board. Let's cycle the power by removing and then reinserting the USB cable connected to the STWIN board. The orange LED will start blinking periodically to indicate the board is in a ready state. In this module, we connected the STWIN components and linked the STWIN to your PC. We then updated the flash memory with our high-speed data log firmware using the mass storage device feature of our programming tools. This concludes Module 2.